back to the channel, guys. Pick up yourself. Welcome to Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. And make sure you watch the ads, guys. On a mission this morning. Didn't plan on going so far, but I ended up in another parish. So, with all said and done, they say stick to the evil that you know, right? So, I'm gonna go hunting for snooks or maybe barras this morning. I don't know what I'm in the mood for, but I have two spots that are close by that I'm gonna hit up and see what I can pick up. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, we out. Climb down through the bushes here and we're coming off this cliffside, but I gotta make sure I secure everything in my pockets, like my phone, keys, or anything loose like that, to make sure that if anything falls. I was tying up a wire lead at the back of the car back there a while ago. Damn, these grass are high. Shit, can't. My machete. I'm gonna get wet. I'm gonna get soaking wet walking through here. Yeah, I'm gonna get soaked. Soaking wet walking through here, guys. Which I did already. My pants is wet. So, whew, that sucks. Yeah, we just got to the spot, guys. Haven't been here in a while. I got a wire lead tied up a while ago. So, check my line, make sure everything's okay. And then we cast out and see what we can pick up. There's some reefs along here. So, let's see what we can get. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Welcome to the channel, guys. I like the way this water's laying down. Like it hasn't been disturbed. Alright. Got the attention of some long jaws. I've seen them jumping. Let's get that lure out there, guys. So we can get a barra this morning. That's our aim. Barracuda's on the list. That's what's up this morning. Let's get this lure out there, guys. Nothing yet, guys. Alright, we're gonna move down the line, guys. That's like 4 or 5 casts in already at this spot, guys, and nothing yet. So, as you guys seen, I scanned this water and I have not picked up any chases from here all the way around. I've worked from here, come straight back around to here just now. Nothing. We'll give it one more cast and try again right there in the middle, and then work our way back with the lure if it swims properly. Coming back, oh, it's not. Looks like we got hitched on the hook. Alright. Yeah, I got hitched on the hook. Let's get it off. See? This is what you call hitching on the hooks, guys. I don't like when that happens. And it bends your wire lead, and that's not good. I don't like when there's a kink in my wire at any given time. No good. Your lure won't swim properly after that. Start doing all kinds of crazy stuff. There, guys. This is connecting with nature, guys. Right there, just like that. Nothing. Not yet. Well, we're hunting, guys. That's what it is. We got a good distance to go. Got a good ways to walk back too. Because I got to come back and get my car. Alright, let's get off of here and go down. Got a good ways to walk, guys. Let's climb down. So, these are the adventures, guys, for Jamaican shore fishing. Crazy ass adventures all the time, right? Going to some scrupulous places. See what we can pick up here in the shallows here. I see a ballyhoo chasing it. Well, we'll go on top of the rock so we can get a bird's eye view, guys. I really like to see what I'm doing. Bird's eye view from this side, guys. So I like this view so I can see the rocks, because you gotta remember I have a shallow diver in a dive. Understand, guys? Nothing there. I see a lot of bait fish within here. See? Look at that, guys. A lot of bait fish. So there has to be a barra around here someplace, hanging out. Ballyhoo chasing, long jaws chasing. I've seen them jumping out the cut, but that's not who I'm looking for. I'm looking for a special guy. His name is Mr. Barra. Where you at, buddy? I'm looking for you. You gotta be here. Either I'm too early or I'm too late, like I always say, guys. I almost hit it long jaw right there. Fast as lightning, these friggers. If there was a barra in sight, he would nail that lure so quick, boy. Just don't find one yet. I'm wondering if I walk them rocks, instead of going back that direction, just go that direction and work my way back. If I'd actually pick up something to that point. You know what I'm saying, guys? That's what I'm thinking. How did I get to those rocks? I'd have to walk around the water's edge and head around and get to it. I worked that way a million times, guys. We're gonna go that way this time. We're gonna switch up this time. We're not gonna go that direction. We're gonna work a different direction on these rocks. I've never worked these rocks before, so I'm gonna have to walk this water. I'm gonna get wet for sure. I can avoid this deepness though and go up on this rock right here. Oh shit, I got wet anyway. Fuck it. I just know I can't come back this way. Yeah, guys, what you don't want to do is walk on these rocks and fall into a hole. My mom sees this video, she's gonna catch her. I told you about that stuff. Yeah, I've never worked that way before, so we're gonna do that today. We're gonna hunt a barra and hook one. Let's go find them. Hear me, guys? We're gonna find ourselves a barra. Let's go hunt. Make sure there's no wasp under here. I got hit by wasp the other day, guys. That was hilarious. Make sure it's not slippery, Jay. There you go, guys. Got you. Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Exploring with Jamaican shore fishing, guys. This is what it's all about. Woohoo! Alright, let me make sure my camera don't fall off again. Let's get to a flat spot where we can stand flat. Put this down real quick. Yeah, guys. That is it. Yeah, man. We're hunting, guys. Making shore fishing. On a mission today, guys. Not leaving no place in this corner uncovered. Well, yeah, I see a whole bunch of jackfish or whatever fish they are right there. Yep, a whole bunch of jackfish. A school of little jack. Yeah, guys, just working and covering this area to make sure that we cover everywhere. We don't miss anything. And if this lure don't work, I know I gotta switch off. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna walk up a bit, guys. This is a steep ass cliff to go back up, but we got a way to get back up. See if we can get a flight in too, guys. Yeah, guys, so Jamaican shore fishing at you, guys. Covering this area as best as we can. And make sure we don't leave no place uncovered. Anyway, there's structure. Yeah, I see something chasing it. That was a big valley here. Seen him. Yeah, I gotta watch my step through here, guys. Yeah, just covering this area, guys, as much as I can. Oh, these rocks. It's crazy, right? Beautiful though. Small jackfish chasing. Alright, we'll move, guys. Watch our steps with these rocks and head down a little further and work this whole area to that point. Like I said, guys, that's the game plan this morning. My mama's gonna be mad at me when she sees this video. Boy, you know what I tell you? Nothing, guys. White belly, black back lure, and nothing. Gotta make sure I secure footing. This is good water for barracuda. I just don't understand. This is like barra territory water. Nothing yet, guys. We're gonna go higher. I'm not even challenging those below those big boulders right there, guys. We'll walk around on the higher end and then work our way to that old gate right there. So, and walk down. Don't want to challenge that and go down there. Definitely be down there walking and end up hurt yourself. I can climb down at any point, but what happened is I didn't really want to be below these rocks. Oh, that's an old gutter or something of the sort. So that concrete wall is. Let me secure my line so I can walk around it. And I have to go here and just crawl across. This is lunatic Jamaican shore fishing, fans. I shouldn't be doing shit like this. That's not good. Yeah, so I got to the other side now, guys. That's a distance I'm coming from, guys. This is Barra territory and I haven't seen one. That's crazy. This is their turf, guys. This is where they hang out. This is their type of water. This is their ammo. Ballyhoo, look at him. Right there, guys. He's chasing the lure. Those bad boys love things that make noise. They like things that move fast. You've seen how far he came from a while ago. Barracuda's eyesight is 10 times as better. So I just don't understand that. If the ballyhoos have seen that and jumping from so far, why am I not getting any attention from the barras? So they might not be here. 1, 2, they don't like this color lure. 3, I might be too early or too late. So there's a lot of elements involved why I'm not hooking up on one yet. So let's go a little bit further, and then what I'll do, I'll switch lures from that side, working back and coming back around, guys. Like I said, we're just exploring. I've never fished this side before, and hit these rocks up and see what we can get from it. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. This is a high reef structure right here, guys. I just don't understand why I'm not getting an ambush yet. I hope when I do get one, it's something proper. All right, we're gonna go around, guys. We're gonna take our time to get to them flats. Now hitch up here. Here looks like a landslide spot. I definitely don't want to be standing with all these rocks or any rocks falling out behind me. So let's get out this danger zone. Yeah, that's another thing too, guys. While you're out, 99% of the time I'm out by myself. So I always have to be precautious of what I do and how I do it. Yeah, guys, so get that cast in there, see what we can get. That's odd. Yeah, guys, so as you guys seen, I've been working this whole distance, not even a jackfish. I got ballyhoo chases and that's about it. But whatchamacallit, I'm gonna move down a little bit further. Not getting any results here. Not good. So going back, we're gonna change our lure. Get away from these trees so I can have good clearance and casting. That's number 1. And hope that high tide don't come in on me while I'm down here. That'd be a tricky situation. I would have to head up at that point and head towards the road. Yeah, these are parts where the undermined it and fell off into the water. That was all up there on top of there and all fell down eventually. Let's get away from this tree. I don't like the way that tree looks. Let's head out here to this one. Oh damn, I won't be able to cross unless I go up there and go around. Look at the distance I covered, guys, on water in this beautiful, beautiful paradise of water. And nothing. Look, all the way from there, all the way up the rocks. I came all the way across here to this point and not a damn thing. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's craziness, guys. And this has been happening for a few days. I don't know why. I mean, we all know why, but anyways, I'm not gonna get into that. I'm gonna move down a little bit further, see if I can get around that cove right there, that collapse. See if I get on that point right there real quick. and see what's around that corner. I'm gonna have to go up in the bushes and around. Looks like that don't look safe either. See how that looks. Years and years of erosion, guys. This is what happens. So apparently somebody got a trail through here already. Not say we bust that ass through here. Oh, I can go around it. Alright. Oh shit, this is the old. I hear dogs. That's not good. So this is the old highway in the bush there. Oh shit. Oh, here it goes. To interact with them damn dogs. That's good. Yeah, that's where I wanted to be at. Made it, guys. Mission accomplished. Whoop whoop. Mission accomplished, guys. Made it to the point. That's crazy distance, guys. Alright, let's get this lure out. See if we can pick something up, guys. Yeah, guys, so I had to get the drone up in the sky real quick, get some aerial view of what's happening around here, and so far haven't really seen anything. The water is just dead, no kind of action whatsoever. Always exploring new spots, guys. Sometimes you just get that feeling to work it and you just do it. Not what I intended in happening this morning, but it is what it is. Sometimes you catch and sometimes you don't. And I decided to try here today. And it didn't work out for me at all. So now for the long hike back to the car. Yeah, guys, so as you see, I was at the point over there coming back this side, and I really don't want to burn up much energy down here trying to pick up something and not getting anything. So I'm trying to hightail it back across these rocks, working my way back to the car, of course, but at the same time periodically I'm going to stop, see if I can get one cast in or two. I'm wondering if I should walk around to the pier or I should just go down the line. But then again, guys, I really don't feel like driving so far today. We'll just foot patrol it, head around the other side. But I'm not going to climb back over there. I'm just going to continue on the low end. We'll go down the line. I want to come off the water a bit, go inland. I'm going to walk. I just know that down the line there's something waiting for me down there. It's one of my regular killing spots. If the divers haven't hit it today. I flew the drone down there earlier. The water was extremely clear by the two piers. Fireman! So, I'm gonna ask and come back. Tried everything that I could today. Not a damn thing on here. Guys, I gave it everything that I got today. Every single thing that I had in the box today, pretty much, guys. I'm gonna give spoon lure a try here. One try. And we'll call it a day. What the hell was that? That was a long jaw that did that. You know that, right, guys? They see it from afar, but I'm not getting any barracuda attention, and that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, this is the time where I start drop line fishing. You going drop line fishing this evening? Nothing, guys. Squid, guys. Look at that. Squid. I want to jig these squid. I got my squid jigs with me, guys. I got squid jigs. We going squid jig fishing today, guys. We switching up. Hell with barracuda hunting. I see something that I want. I got your boys' medicine. I got your medicine today, squid. I didn't even know you guys was here. Catch a couple of you guys. I'll make dinner later. I got you. Got you. Haha. Ink me, guys. Ah, I got ink. I got ink, guys, look! I got a squid. Big squid. He got me with the ink, guys. Damn, he got. I'm gonna jig a couple more, guys. I love these things. That's what's up. Laurie will love this. Look, he got me good too with the damn ink. Oh my god. Squirt the hell out of me, guys. Squid jig, guys. Woohoo. Got a squid. Squid for dinner later. Look at that. Alright, let's get the other ones. Let's get them off real quick. I remembered I just had these in here. I was like, damn, I got the squid jigs. I'm gonna catch me some squid. Got ink all over me. Alright, let's get the hook off of you. That's hilarious. Let's get this jig off you. We'll get one more in here. Alright, we got one. That's one right there, guys. Hey, yo, you still got ink all over in there, guys. Let's drop one more in there. I don't know where the other one went. He squirted the ink and the other one just took off, guys. Yeah, he turned white now. Yeah, pretty big fella too. This was not a little squid, guys. Look, that's a big ass squid, guys. Look at the size. So this is good calamari. When I get home, I'll make this up. Some curry calamari. I know he went that way, and I don't see him come back. Oh, there he go. Okay, I see where he ambushing from. He ambushing from the grass. Okay. Damn, he missed. Trying to get the stupid squid. Second one. There's two of them. I see two. What? I don't think there's no more than two there, guys. Yeah, guys. So I didn't get skunked today, guys. Definitely didn't get skunked today. I got a squid. Stay tuned for that. I got ink too. Squirted me with black ink. But as you guys seen, the adventure that I went on and the distance that I traveled this morning, I'm still going at it. So I'm gonna head out now, guys. I'm gonna stop up at the end of this road. My friend, he's homeless. That's pretty bad. I'm gonna stop and give him the squid so he can have it for breakfast. You know what I'm saying? Jamaican shore fishing way. Outside. Like I was saying before, that's my friend up there. That's where he lives. So I'm gonna check him real quick and give him this calamari, guys. Alright? Stay tuned. So fireman say I don't really eat them things there, you see me? Sea cat, squid and them something there. I just strictly fishing deal with it, you see me?
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.